Welcome. Today we'll be looking at Kanopy, a free on-demand streaming service for quality movies, documentaries, and children's programs. These are all free through your library card. Each account has 4 credits available to download and watch. They reset automatically on the first of every month. Kanopy is also providing a list of credit-free titles available to our public. To start, let's go to Kanopy's website. A link is available here or from our homepage. Make sure you have your library card with you during this step. If you need a card or have difficulties, contact us for help. Click on the Get Started button to begin. The first step is identifying your library. Click the Find Your Library button here. Type the name of your library to get started. Once you see it, click on the highlighted name in orange. Confirm your selection by clicking here. Next, enter your library card number. Then click Continue. Now you need to set up your account. Just enter your first name, last name, and email address. You will also need to create a password. When finished, hit the Sign Up button. Your next step is to access your email account. Find the verification email from Kanopy. Open the email and click the Verify Email button. You will be taken back to Kanopy's site. And that's it. Now you can continue here to view Kanopy on your computer. However, to watch on your smart device, you need to download it from your phone's App Store. Go to your smart device and click on the App Store. This is an iPhone, but you can also use Google Play, Kindle Fire, or any App Store to find it. The easiest way to find Kanopy is by typing the word into the search box. Once found, download the app onto your device. Wait till it's completely downloaded to continue. This is the latest Kanopy icon. Now click it. You will need to sign in initially to access Kanopy. Click the Log In button. Enter the email you had used for the account and the password. Now click Log In and you're done. You now have access to a large collection of films. You can scroll down to see the categories or scroll each row to see more movies. Remember to watch this number in the top right-hand part of the screen. It's the amount of movies you can watch during each month. You can search the home page, browse, or search through Kanopy using these icons at the bottom of your screen. For more details of each row, click the See More button. To see more about your movie, just click on the image. Remember, once you hit play, Kanopy will count it towards your monthly limit unless it's part of their credit-free list. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Please check out our website for more services and information, and have a wonderful day.